Sick day, uncovered. What it really means. Hello there. Are you sometimes puzzled by certain English phrases? Today, we'll dive deep into one such phrase, sick day. Let's uncover its meaning, usage, and context. A sick day literally refers to a day when someone is unable to work or attend school due to illness. It's a day taken off to recover and get better. Many employers and educational institutions allow for a specific number of sick days in a year. Example, Jane wasn't feeling well, so she took a sick day from work. In many cultures and especially in the professional world, a sick day is not just about physical illness. It can also be a day taken off for mental health or emotional well-being. Example, after the sudden loss of his pet, Tom took a sick day to grieve and cope. It's crucial to understand that the concept of a sick day is rooted in the idea of self-care. The primary aim is to ensure that the individual gets the needed rest and comes back rejuvenated. 1. I have a fever and a cold, so I'm taking a sick day tomorrow. 2. After working for 12 days straight, she needed a sick day to recharge. 3. His boss was understanding and allowed him to take a sick day after he felt burned out. There you have it. The phrase, sick day, is not just about physical illness but can also encompass mental and emotional well-being. It's a reminder that taking care of ourselves is essential. We hope this video has given you a clearer understanding of the term, and the next time you hear it or need to use it, you'll do so with confidence. Stay curious, and keep learning.